everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Clash Royale. So without any further ado, let's get started. So there are 3 ways to delete this app. The first way is to simply tap and hold on the app. Then tap on App Info option. Here you can see the uninstall option, tap on it. And if you're sure, tap on the OK button. Similarly, the next way is to go to Settings application, scroll down your screen, and tap on Apps option. Here click on Manage Apps. Now in the search bar, type in Clash Royale. Here you can see the uninstall option, tap on it. And if you're sure, tap on the OK button. And finally, the last way is to go to Play Store application. In the search bar, type in Clash Royale. Click on the application. And here you can see the uninstall option, tap on it. And if you're sure, tap on the uninstall option once again. So that is how you can uninstall Clash Royale application. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.